my friends, it's Sonja. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing some more spring and Easter decorating. I will be working on my family room as well as the entryway. I am starting in my entryway, giving it a good cleaning first. With the spring-like weather starting, there has been so many muddy prints and so many smudges everywhere from my dogs. If you missed one of my previous videos, I shared my living room decorating as well as my plans for my spring and Easter decor. With Easter being so close, I am decorating for both. And once Easter is done, we will be taking spring decor to the next level, maybe adding some more florals and decor in general. So lots of decorating videos here to come, so make sure you are subscribed. So for all my cleaning, I am using Method All-Purpose Cleaner for all the surfaces except the glass, and for the glass and mirror, I am using the glass cleaner. This bench was my DIY that I had DIY'd a while back, and I will have a link in the description box to anything that I had made or that I had bought and I can find online to share with you. The blue pillow with the little bunnies, I DIY'd as well. So instead of repeating myself constantly, I will just link up anything that I possibly can in the description box. As we get closer to spring and warmer temperatures, I am planning to do some major deep spring cleaning around the house. So if that is something that you would like to see in a whole separate video or series, please do let me know in the comments below. Today I am just doing some light cleaning before I get all my decor out. Not only most of my decor pieces are DIY, but a lot of them are secondhand vintage pieces as well. You know I always decorate my entryway, the bench, the little box, as well as my little table or my Bombay chest seasonally. I just think it's a welcoming thing to see when you first enter into my house. With you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into. Now moving over to my Bombay chest, I had bought this it came from Ashley Furniture. I've had it for many years. I have contemplated about painting it. I am just not sure what color I should do it in, or if I should cover up the top. It's just one of those things that it's always on my mind, but I haven't quite figured out exactly what to do. What could go wrong? Sipping on beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want. When it comes to my decor, I move things around quite a bit until I am happy with the way it looks. Sometimes I change it 3 or 4 times. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough. For my spring decor, I like to use again lavender as well as the greenery, just green stuff, but I do like to add a touch of yellow as well. This time around I did pull quite a bit into blue touches, like I have some blue Easter eggs and just like I said, little blue touches here and there. You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other.
sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight.
If you are enjoying today's video so far, I would appreciate so much if you click that thumbs up button. It just lets me know that you are enjoying watching decorating type of videos as much as I love sharing them with you.
Drifting away from each other, didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go.
Moving on to my family room, I'm decorating it with my family in mind. We spent a lot of time here as a family, and I want it to be a functional decor, nothing blocking the TV or easily breakable. My husband doesn't want anything on what he calls his side table or on the TV unit, so I do have to respect that since he lives here too. I am really happy with how far my family room has come over time with the main decor pieces and furniture pieces. If you have been following me along, especially over on my other channel where I used to share all of my stuff, let me know what you think or if you agree. My other channel is all DIY now, and that is where you will find all of my DIY in this decor or any other decor that I use. And I also share all of my furniture makeovers, like this coffee table that I made up.
Drifting away from each other, didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on.
As you probably noticed, I do like to use different types of trays on tables or console tables. It just centers the decor and it's easily movable without disturbing too much of it. And since we use this coffee table often, I like to be able to just lift it up and move it over and then just bring it back without having to reset it up again.
Even when my teardrops start to dry, when the sun begins to shine again, taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of...
Over on this fireplace, I do struggle quite a bit to decorate it all the time. It is an extremely large fireplace. I think it's almost 70 inches wide, so it does require a lot of decorating in my opinion, but I don't know. I don't know why I struggle with it. I did love the way I did my winter decor on it. I thought it looked really good, and I was contemplating about just adding few things and then just leaving most of it on, but then when I started to move things around, well, you'll see, I changed it up quite a bit.
Could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs like if it turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to.
Are you decorating for spring or Easter? I will be definitely sharing my home tour later this week, so make sure you are subscribed. I would love to have you join if you have not already.
Even when my teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Ooh, sick and tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs that never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone to help me through. I've heard every
So I was thinking about adding this green garland, but it wasn't long enough, and then so I thought if I put it at the back it would look better, but I really wasn't happy with it. So I ended up I should probably go get another piece and then just maybe drape it kind of loosely on it, but for now I did not have the other piece, so I ended up taking it off.
I'll be alright, promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that.
I've also decided to remove this lavender wreath, although I love it. I decided to put the egg wreath up that I typically have on my front door. Now with this, I will probably have to change it around since I have a double door and I will need another wreath for my front door. So I'm either going to DIY an egg wreath for this to go on this fireplace, or I might have to DIY two of them for my front door. So make sure you stay tuned to see what I end up doing. I decided to bring the three eggs from my living room that I used in the decor and use them here. I think they just looked much better here, and I will have to figure out what else to put in my living room now instead.
Enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night.
So as you can see, it looks quite a bit different than what it originally started with.
To do whatever comes next, to just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all this way.
Now the last piece that I decorate is this large shelf that is above my TV, and I like to keep it fairly simple, but I like to add a little bit of seasonal touch. So I have just added this carrot patch sign, and I thought it, and then on the other side I just added the wooden sphere, and I just think it kind of tied the whole shelf together. So that is going to be it for today's video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.